Hello and welcome to Itiske TV. My name is Ngululeko Nkewo. As always, I'm with Ubongani Mnisi, aka Bobo. We are with Justice Shabalala and Khawkhelo Sibata as well. Thank you very much for joining us. It was an interesting weekend. Orlando Pirates failed to beat Durban City. This means that they are not yet champions. They have to beat Orbit College. Later in the video, we'll discuss that and whether or not Orbit College can even drag the title from Orlando Pirates to Mamelodi Sundowns. But at the beginning of the video, we'll talk about Mamelodi Sundowns because they could have even wrapped themselves up the CAF Champions League title. They won 1-0 against AS FAR on Sunday. And that's a good thing, of course, it's a win, but people who watch the game, ourselves and everyone, knows that there were 2 or 3 goals that were left on the table there that could have been scored. But we'll discuss whether or not Sundowns have the upper hand. Can we see a turnaround of events on the second leg in Morocco? Thank you very much for joining us. Please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you comment on our content as well. Make sure you like all the videos as well if you have nothing to say. Bobzi, thank you very much for joining us. How are you, sir?
Good, Mr. Nkewu. Yeah, itumbulisa balingani bethu, Mr. Nkewu.
Sure.
Yeah.
I mean, you've been looking for the second star. Is it loading? Is it smelling? Have you printed half of that star? Where are you in the second star?
No, Mr. Nkewu, I can smell it, Mr. Nkewu. Seriously. What a weekend it's been now, Mr. Nkewu.
Sure.
Ngiyacabanga ukuthi istar Sundowns ifake inyawo eliyi-1, Mr. Nkewu.
Yeah, I mean, you've printed half of it. You could have gone, mhlambe mawuhamba uya eMorocco. You could have gone with, you know, when people write champions, I'm sure Orlando bekunama keepers by the champions. Nani, you could have gone with shirts that have 2 stars, but now because it's 1-0, it looks tight. Let's talk about some of the missed opportunities. Kutlwano Letlaku, Brian Leon left goals on the table as well. That will be disappointing for Sundowns because if they had 3 goals here, it would have been done and dusted.
Mr. Nkewu, if Sundowns ingaluza le CAF Champions League, I think izaba izenzile yona ukuyilose. If you can check those chances, bekungama chance ukuthi Sundowns kule weekend bekumele ngabe irepe earlier game. CAF Champions League final. So kusho wona ukuthi uma udlala CAF Champions League, Mr. Nkewu, it's not easy, I know, but ama chance owathola afana nalawo kumele warebe because ubone i-team efana ne-FC Rabat izolo ukuthi akusi team mhlawumbe ucabanga ukuthi ungayicompare nabo Pyramids, ungayicompare nabo Esperance, Al Ahly. So if you thola lawo ma-chances, Mr. Nkewu, just rep the game, ukwazi ukuthi you go eMorocco ungekho under pressure. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi Sundowns bekumele bayirepeat le game, Mr. Nkewu.
Yini lebenekuzama ukuyenza nge-half time?
Mayikhuluma ngani, Mr. Nkewu?
Sabona ukuthi umdlalo uqala nge-VAR manje ku-second half niyayicima i-VAR. Nenzani lapho? Niyacabanga ukuthi mina lo mshikashika nizama ukwenza, nicabanga ukuthi ama-North Africans awakwazi ukwenza?
Awungitshele, Mr. Nkewu, ungayicima kanjani i-VAR uleader nga-1-0 up la khona ufuna ukuscora more goals? I don't think ukuthi ungakwenza lokho, Mr. Nkewu. Kube ne-problem mhlawumbe ye-VAR, but indlela engithande the way bayihandlisha ngakhona nabo referee ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi bayistop leya game, bazame kuba ne-solution. And ngajabula izolo uma ufunda lo mthetho ukuthi umthetho we-VAR uyavuma ukuthi nanoma ingekho igame ingachubeka idlale. So
let me actually go back to that because at the time on Sunday I was reading it to you guys because not we were as confused with what happens in the event of VAR if it's umdlalo uqala ngayo and then there's a failure. So I'm reading this and I asked the question as well with Gemini. Maybe let me try and play the speaker.
Yes, the match continues as normal. According to the official IFAB, International Football Association Board, VAR protocol, a technological failure or a complete system malfunction does not stop the game from being played, nor does it invalidate the match results. Here is exactly how that scenario is handled on the pitch. 1. The protocol for technology failure. If the VAR system goes down completely with 45 minutes left on the clock, the referee will inform both team managers/captains that video review is no longer available. From that moment on, the match is officiated the traditional way, relying entirely on the on-field referee, assistant referees, and the 4th official. 2. A match cannot be terminated or rescheduled. Competition rules and IFAB guidelines are very strict on this. You cannot abandon or postpone a professional match just because the technology stops working. In the words of the protocol, In principle, a match is not invalidated because of malfunctions of the VAR technology. 3.
So that's what we were searching on Sunday as the situation was unfolding. It doesn't stop it looking controversial. It looked controversial. It looks embarrassing because you never see it UEFA Champions League. I would imagine Nagobo Asia Champions League, CONCACAF Champions League, or maybe Copa Libertadores in South America. So I felt bad with Sama Africa because it makes us look bad.
Yes, Mr. Nkewu, but what I like, njengoba bengisakutshela ngithi bayihandlishe uma ungayimamela kahle explanation isho kona ukuthi bakwenze konke okuright abo referee. So kusho kona ukuthi uma ngabe mhlawumbe iVAR wena ungazama ukuyicisha ucabanga ukuthi igame mhlawumbe izostopa or uma ngabe mhlawumbe yakwenza lokho. Unfortunately angeke istop igame. So ngijabula the way bahandlishe ngakhona but ibonakala isinikeze esinye isithombe if mhlawumbe lento yenzeka so kuba khona la idingakala khona iVAR like because azange kube khona mhlawumbe la khona kudingakala iVAR
and also no offside,
yes I think nangendlela abadlali beba assist referee ngakhona bazange mhlawumbe babonisa ukuthi mhlawumbe babe ngokuthi mhlawumbe ba cheat benza yonke lento so ureferee uchazile futhi I think bethi 60 something minutes if I'm not mistaken wayichaza ukuthi bona iVAR manje seyiyasebenza so ngicabanga ukuthi into right wena Mr Nkewu abayenzile so yona ingenye indlela imagine mangabe seyenzeka la ekhaya sekudlala amanye ama game.
We need to get ready next Usafa uthi next season in the PSL there will be VAR so we need to get ready for VAR masiqala umdlalo iyasebenza because this rule although we appreciate explanation in a loophole it means uyaqala umdlalo kwi-cup final ye-Chiefs ne-Pirates ikhona i-VAR. Then ku-second half controversial decision icime i-VAR. Then the rule says we must rely on the referee and then the referee can say hey icimile i-VAR we don't know what happened.
Ngicela ufake i-Sundowns ne-Pirates kule final.
Yeah bona so between Sundowns and Pirates I mean I'm talking about the biggest game.
Yeah, or Chiefs and Sundowns.
Okay. But the point still stands that it can happen to us as well. South Africa, so we need to be ready because even at the time Ibuya Bobs, I was still worried ukuthi because football players and football is in general football like spirit is a fair play. Yes, nyanzela it forces the spirit of fair play ukuthi sine fair play but think about this if njengoba ibuya VAR second half iqale batshela abadlali ukuthi there's no VAR.
Yes.
Ibuya ibhola ishaya isandla somdlali we-AS FAR banike Sundowns i-penalty from VAR. The question will be from ama-fans we-AS FAR nabalandeli nabadlali ukuthi hayibo siqale ngayo ingekho so why isebenza manje njengoba iSundowns umelele kwi-penalty. So I was happy that there was no incident just like you.
Yeah, and ukubalekile ukuthi ureferee ba-informile Mr Nkewu uzokuchazela ukuthi now siya ku-VAR because ngi-explainile nginichazela ukuthi ikhona i-VAR ngalesa sikhathi bekungeke siye ku-VAR because bengichazile ukuthi i-VAR ayisebenzi ngiyacabanga ukuthi the explanation
well still they won't accept it yes of course you have to explain but they won't accept it ukuthi the time thina bekumele sibheke ama-offside wethu beyingaspani manje i-benefit home team iyaspana so anyways we're hypothesizing fact is it did not happen those controversial decisions going back to the game with Sundowns umlomo wabalandeli beSundowns I'm sure will be that if anything happens ningaswin Star it will be because of those missed opportunities.
Yeah, obvious Mr Nkewu. That is why nenjabulo kwabanye angeke mhlawumbe ifane. The more team missed ama chances bayobheka ukuthi yes winning 1-0 but lose ama chances amaningi. Bakhohlwa ukuthi iSundowns azange consider. Yes what missed ama chances siya understand but this is a CAF Champions League final. Kune pressure kubadlali not like mhlawumbe udlala nama team mhlawumbe ojwayele ukudlala nawo ku Betway. La kune pressure and abanye abadlali uma ungabheka kuma Mamelodi Sundowns mhlawumbe abajwayelanga ukudlala kule capacity oyibona lapha. The attendance yalapha. I'm not saying laba buya khona mhlawumbe abakaze badlale but ngisengizama ukusho ukuthi the fact ukuthi udlala ifinal kuba khona ne pressure kubadlala abafana nabo Brian Leon you know Brian Leon ukuthi ama chances afana nalawa uyavalela Mr Nkewu so now if akakwazanga ukuthi siwavalele we move on Mr Nkewu so focus on next game ukuthi okay let's go and score away goal so that's sikwazi ukuthi siba ne chance ukuthi siwine le final because now iSundowns into edingayo ukuthi they must score away goal because the opponent failed to score away goal la ekhaya so for bona ngiyacabanga ukuthi ama plans wabo nawo ukuthi they must go and score away goal even if icala bona Mamelodi Sundowns. I think it's going to be advantage for Sundowns.
100%. If Sundowns scores an away goal and they look like, because they dominated that opponent, if they score an away goal, even if they have a poor game, if they score an away goal, then that means that AS FAR must score 3 goals.
Yeah, to win the game.
Yep.
Because my ngati 2-1 already as far you by losing because
It will be the advantage of the
yes,
away
Mr.
goal.
Nko.
What's your feeling? Where's your heart at? Do you think you will win the second star?
Yeah, I think so, Mr. Nkewu. For Sundowns, ngendlela dominating ngakhona leya game and knowing I'm a North African ukuthi they're not like ama team ajwayele ukuthi afuna ukudominate ngeball position. Bona bafuna nje kuphela ukcreate ama chances then bakwazi ukuthi ba convert kulawo ama chances. I think Sundowns now kumele babancince ibhola, Mr. Nkewu. When they go there kumele ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi we control the ball position, we try ukuthi sithole lawo ama chances and remember njengoba ngisho ngithi bazofunda ukupusha in numbers. Leya left the full back wabo la swajwayele ukuthi akhuphuka bebahlezi kule weekend because they understand ukuthi akunasidingo sokuthi bakhuphuka. Now bazokhuphuka and ukukhuphuka kwabo njengoba ngisho you need Ureinas kulesa squad to use lama space afana nalawa. Abo Matthews they're going to use this lawa space because obviously ama full back azokhuphuka but ukuhlala kwabo emuva I think they give Mamelodi Sundowns a chance ukuthi ba dominate leya ball ba rotate bakwazi ukuthi ba manage leya game at the end of the day bazithola ba win leya game. In fact mina ngiyacabanga I feeling yami think ukuthi Sundowns can lift this trophy. I think it's the right time now. Dala iphuma kuma quarter finals, semi-finals. Yeah. Now it's a final back to back. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi they deserve to win because they are playing with different teams. Khumbula ukuthi kuma finals yena Al Ahly ya ma team ase Egypt out 3.
Yeah.
Sakwazi ukuthi iwine 1. Now sithola a team ase Morocco now. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi it's a chance for Mamelodi Sundowns ukuthi manje ingafaka a second star, Mr. Nkewu.
100%. You will deserve it, Bobsit, if you get it because there's no. In fact, ungene kanjani kwi Club World Cup ungene ngokuthi you are the most consistent. Umnyango we Club World Cup kumele uwine i-CAF Champions League.
Yeah.
Uma ngabe kule 4-year window kune team A1 ewine ka2 then baye babu ukuthi which is the other team the number of points you've collected in that 4 year.
Yes.
And Sundowns is always semi-final, final. So if there's a team that wins it twice in the 4 year cycle, you enter through that door. That shows the level of consistency. So yeah, South African team is on the verge of winning the CAF Champions League. What we know about North Africans, including AS FAR, is that they play completely different games, one away from home and one at home. But what we also know about Sundowns is that they have a goal in them with Brian Leon. So we shall see. We're not gods. We don't know what's going to happen. But the hope, of course, will be that the South African team wins there. And I would say that about Chiefs. I would say that about Pirates. I would say that about Sundowns as well. The South African team hopefully wins that second leg. Let's change gears then to Orlando Pirates. On Saturday, this past weekend, Orlando Pirates were on the verge of winning the Betway Premiership. The equation: beat Durban City and lift the Betway Premiership. Everyone went to the stadium with that expectation. We saw a lot of Orlando Pirates fans going there. It was a festive fiesta type of vibe where everyone is going there. It was coronation. In fact, even the broadcaster could not even hold themselves because they still continued with interviewing multiple Pirates players, which was their plan in the first place, which they should have. With the wisdom of everyone, they should have said, no, don't do it because we did not win. Let's try and do it in Bombela. But the fact of the matter is Orlando Pirates can still lift the league if they beat Orbit College this coming weekend on Saturday. We'll bring you that game. If you're still here, please make sure you're subscribed. Please make sure you like and comment. Let us know what you think about Pirates. Do you think they're going to fail this coming weekend or they will easily beat Orbit College? We have to remind you as well, Orbit College lost to Stellenbosch this past weekend in their number 15. They are incredibly poor. I don't know where the powers will come from for them to beat Pirates, but football is football and it does not have therefore. Bobsit, ikamva leSundowns liqhomeke kwi-Orbit College. The 9th consecutive league title of Mamelodi Sundowns is in Orbit College's hands. But let's look at it from the perspective of your Pirates. Yeah. How disappointed do you think the fans would have been on the day in Orlando?
Mr. Nkewu ama-answers bewabhaliwe ebusweni bakaShane ubangena Saturday la studio. Ubonile ukuthi uShane beka disappointed, Mr. Nkewu. So obviously abalandeli beOrlando Pirates bebalinde i-celebration njengoba usho. Okubuhlungu nje ukuthi kunabantu abadala abaye lapha eOrlando ngalela langa ukuthi bafuna ukuthi bayozama ukuthi ba celebrate naleli qembu leOrlando Pirates kulesikhathi eside ingazange iwine i-league. So kusho kona ukuthi they wanted to celebrate it in their own yard, Mr. Nkiwu. Unfortunately akuzange kwenzeke, and ukuba babe disappointed abalandeli be-Orlando Pirates angizange ngisole kakhulu. Maybe ngabe bakore early, Mr. Nkiwu, first half ngiyacabanga simo besizoba right, but after lapho njengoba ngisho, imagine if Pirates beyikora ngabo 80-85 minutes or 90 minutes.
Sure.
Ucabanga ukuthi isimo bezizoba njani? Ngiyacabanga kunabantu mhlambe bangalimala ngalendlela mhlambe bebaye bajabule ngakhona after badlala isikhathi eside ama minutes amaningi without scoring. So uNkulunkulu yonke into uyayihlela, Mr. Nkiwu. And uma ungabheka next weekend if iPirates be celebrate kulo Saturday sibuya kuyi, le weekend esiya kuye next weekend bekuzobhora, Mr. Nkiwu, la kule country, but now uNkulunkulu ibalansisile. Saturday kuzoba nenjabulo ku-Orlando Pirates, angijiki leyo. I don't think Orbit College, Mr. Nkiwu, bangastop i-Orlando Pirates. Yes, imihlola yenzeka ngishizo weekend ngathi imihlola yenzeka ebholeni, but ama-chances mancane. Yes, Orbit ifuna ukubalekela izembe uma ungabheka isimo asikho right for bona lapha kuleya position, because for bona ukuthi bazithola bangayi ku-relegation kufuna ukuthi baziwinele leya game or bayidraw.
That's what makes it interesting, Bob.
Yeah.
We cannot completely write them off.
Yeah.
This is why the winning against Durban City was so important, because whatever happens with Orbit College, you would have wrapped up the league. Because Orbit, I'm not saying Orbit. You see, when we talk about football, we have to be very consistent.
Yes.
Orbit, the life and death yabo, they should have fought it with Stellenbosch. If Banamandla Mash about uNkulunkulu, they would have got those powers even with Stellenbosch.
Yeah.
Or throughout the season. So Gushuguti, there's a reason why they're number 15. But because football is football, and also they are fighting for something,
But
there's that level of danger that's there in that game.
Bagut disadvantage. How many players Orlando Pirates ebalone ku-Orbit abadlalayo ku-line up ye-Orbit?
Yes,
week in, week out.
Younger Madiba.
We understand.
There's a kid Ubatu Khoto, he's a left winger. We Diski Challenge Pirates as well. I don't know if he's on loan there.
So I don't think Orlando Pirates ingaba mhlawumbe ibanikezile leyo advantage ukuthi they can use abadlali babo ababalonile. Yeah, but because labadlali mangabe bawu4 badlala week in week out, kusho kona ukuthi kumele ulethe abadlali abasha. And labadlali abasha, Mr. Nkiwu, kumele you must also check equality Orlando Pirates, not ukuchecka ukuthi isimo abakuso bakuphi. Even if bangaza all out, but the quality ye Orlando Pirates, le attack Orlando Pirates, le speed enaso, ngiyacabanga ukuthi angiboni ukuthi bangayistopa, Mr. Nkiwu. Yes, njengoba sisho
I
sithi
think
football.
the thing is, Bob, like I said on with Durban City, Durban City is not going to beat Pirates.
Yeah.
But they will fight tooth and nail, and you saw on the day, they will fight tooth and nail for a draw. Orbit, there's a picture, Gula League, a permutation, if they get a draw, they will not be automatically relegated. And that's the thing with Pirates, a draw is not enough for Pirates.
Mr. Nkiwu, ba admit ukuthi bona le game bayiluzile. Ukuthatha le game uyimikise embombela, Mr. Nkiwu, ukutshela something. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi wonke umuntu uyazi ukuthi ama team afana nabo Orlando Pirates to play a ground in ku stadium esifana nalesa uzifaka ku disadvantage ukuthi ungawina le game. So if mhlambe bangadlala kuma pitch amancane bengathi mhlambe bekungeke kube ne space esi enough for Orlando Pirates ukuthi ikwazi ukudlala. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi baye bavuma nabo ukuthi no mhlambe singathola imali yamatikiti because it's a sold out vele obvious. My Pirates ifuna kuyenza celebration yayo kuyoba i sold out. Mhlambe seba decide ukuthi noma singayi ground encane shota ngesiwini asithathele ukuncane sinako uma ngabe siyaluza le game siye nako ku NFT because ngibheke ama team ayidlala nawo i-Richards Bay kumele idlale I think neMagesi. So i-Richards Bay ayikho into edlalelayo mangithi ngiyayibheka angeke ngene top 8 ayiko relegation. So asazi ukuthi nabo bayizimisela kangakanani because iMagesi if ya win or ya draw bheka ama-goal abanawo ngiyacabanga
Magesi needs a win.
A win.
Magesi. They need
Yes.
to beat Richards Bay for them to threaten Orbit ukuthi ingene. So Magesi to get to playoffs because they're not going to survive relegation.
Yeah.
To get to playoffs, they need to beat Richards Bay. Then badonsa Orbit ukuthi ibe automatically relegated.
Yeah, injalo Mr. Nkiwu. So kuya ngokuthi no number 14 wabo. I think ubani because kuneMagesi.
There's Marumo
Orbit,
Gallants now is also on 24 points.
24
so they
points.
can also be in the picture, and Chipa is on 25 points.
Yeah, so bane advantage because amagoli abo ngibona at least abame kahle kunama eGoli ane team efana nayo Obit College. So ngicabanga ukuthi Mr Nko, it's going to be a very interesting game against iPirates. It's not like a walk over ukuthi zothi I know kube lula because babalekela izembe. Status se PSL Mr Nko siyadura and abadlali abaningi abadlala kuMagesi. Khumbula ukuthi mangabe baya relegator lawa masalary abawatholayo manje ayo change Mr Nko uma baya ku NFT. So nabo kumele ukuthi bafayithele for lokho bakwazi ukuthi ekugcineni bakwazi ukondla imindeni yabo mhlambe ngalawo masalary abawathola ku Obit kwamanje. So yeah iyoba nzima Mr Nko but angibanikezi win beMagesi. I don't think ukuthi nedraw bangayithola
Obit College.
Obit, I mean.
There was a question in nervousness with Pirates before we wrap up the conversation.
Yeah.
There was a question in nervousness, and I think if it is true that Pirates were nervous and we saw them, which there was this tension, and tension is Balandeli and Orlando and the occasion which we're gonna win the league, and I'm sure they saw printed shirts, we are the champions, I'm fireworks. There were a lot of things there because they were preparing to celebrate the league. That tension is not gonna go away because in Mbombela kukhona Pirates. Mbombela will be filled with Orlando Pirates supporters. In fact, maybe 99.999% will be Pirates supporters. So, lento and nervousness, they either going to have to get used to it, get over it, because it is still another cup final year title still. So it doesn't change. Uguti, it's still a big match. So if you were nervous last time, you're going to have to get over it because you have to win the league.
Ne-excitement Mr Nko uyakwenza lokho. Uma ungabheka leya game first half abadlali beOrlando Pirates bebangekho aggressive njengoba sibajwayele ukuthi first whistle they want to attack i-opponent. Baqala ukuba aggressive second half babona ukuthi hayi man ngathi sidlala i-draw na leya team. Yila bazama khona and sebaba frustrated because they want to take ama shot on target outside the box. Ubona ukuthi it's a waste sometimes la amabhola ya wide. So uyabona ukuthi nako lokho kuya add kubadlali. Lento le Mr Nko automatically lento ifika kuwe uma sowuzitshela ukuthi no man lento sesithethe nangendlela njengoba ngibone ucoach alethi lineup yakhe ngakhona uyabona ukuthi ukubeka lo yamdlala acede ukwenza kahle uma Khupa ebenchini ubeke umbatha kusho kona ukuthi nawe awukho sure ukuthi lento yenzayo Mr Nko ngendlela ucama because now ucoach beka sure ukuthi hayi man even labadlali ngibafaka manje they can do the job against the team.
Usilepe showed that and you made the good point when you said undermine. That was a good word when you said it on Saturday. It's undermining because Usilepe is not a bad player, but you have to think that if a player didn't play the whole season,
exactly.
like even the Sundowns wanted to take that game on Mvala, with Champions League, they don't have centre backs. It is Mvala, but someone on Ngondo with Sundowns prevailed. Sizamdlala njani umdlalo ongakhanga adlale season yonke kwi-cup final ye-CAF Champions League. So I'm not saying Usilepe had a bad game, but to give us a psychology Pirates how they were thinking about the game, it tells you what they were thinking about Durban City even by putting Usilepe.
Yes Mr Nko, and uma ungabheka njengoba sisho iPirates asisho ukuthi ayidlalanga kahle. Yes idlale kahle Orlando Pirates but akusingale ndlela iPirates ijwayele ngayo ukuthi izofuna ukuthi even if i-team ipaka ipass but Orlando Pirates unokuyibona keep on knocking benza but lapha babe late uma ungabheka that is why nalama corner kick abawatholile bangakwazi ukwasebenzisa ukuthi no man Pirates were trying. Yes they did everything ukuthi they can win their game but unfortunately Mr Nko ayizange isebenze the way because nangendlela ngitshela the body language yabadlali first half beyingakutshela ukuthi Orlando Pirates uyayibukela Orlando Pirates mangabe ifuna ukuscora more goals. Uyibona nje uma ingena abadlali beOrlando Pirates first whistle they will attack. They will make sure ukuthi they force the opponent to make mistakes. You understand? So look ikutshelile nayo Mr Nko but now it's a different story because they understand ukuthi if we lose or we draw their game it's done. I think they will go all out. First whistle they are going to attack Obit and uma izoba nenhlanhla iObit ingathola amagoli amancane ngiyasho namanje Mr Nko football is football akumelanga sithi mhlambe nayo say undermine Obit siyazi ukuthi ibalekela izembe but uma ungabheka the quality of the players nangendlela performance yala maqembu angakhona Orlando Pirates ingenhla kune Obit ngiyacabanga ukuthi bayo celebrate kahle Mbombela Mr Nko belicembu Orlando Pirates.
Nice one. Thank you very much Bobzit. As always we thank you as well for watching us. Please make sure you're subscribed. Do you agree with the idea that Obit College will not be able to stop Sundowns, Orlando Pirates? Please let us know on the comments section. And also the Sundowns issue as well. Do you think Sundowns will win the second star? Please let us know on the comments section as well. We are gone for the week. We'll come back on Saturday 3 p.m. Covering Orlando Pirates against Obit College or Obit College against Orlando Pirates at the Mbombela Stadium. And then on Sunday at 9 p.m. we'll be covering the Sundowns ASFA Cup final for the CAF Champions League. That's the second leg this is the final week of the season, domestic football. It's been a bliss. We're getting tired towards the end, really. But yeah, we are grateful that we are reaching. South African football is closing on the final week, basically. The league will end at the end of the league. That's very exciting because also Orlando Pirates does not know whether or not they'll win the league. They can assume, but they don't know whether they're going to win. They're going to have to first beat Orbit and then they will be declared as champions. And that's what we want. Sundowns will know whether they are champions or not at the end of the weekend, end of the season, last day, last few minutes of the season. Thank you very much for watching us.
Thank you.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.